Hey, what's up everybody? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. This is Rudraditya and in this video I am going to talk about nothing Phone 1. Yes, this phone is going to launch tomorrow on Flipkart and the launch event will start from 8 p.m. in India. So yes, be ready to purchase this phone from Flipkart. And a lot of hype is going around for this phone. Definitely the most hyped phone of 2022, and I guess this is the most hyped phone in the recent past couple of months, or let's say even in 2021. I haven't seen a phone which hyped this much. So definitely Carl Pei has done a brilliant job in creating a hype. Now a lot of tech lover, phone lover, enthusiasts like us hoping that it actually delivered to its hype. So it all depends on the price to spec ratio. Alright guys, so I want to update few things which I have said in my video, like about the sale. So tonight they are just going to launch the phone, not the sale is happening tonight. So the global sale is going to happen on 21st July. So you can also buy the Nothing Phone 1 in India on 21st July. But then the question comes that what about those people who bought that pass for 2000 rupees? So maybe we can see a special sale tonight on Flipkart right after the launch, and then at that time maybe those people can actually get the access who bought the pass. But I'm just assuming this. I'm not sure, you have to wait for the launch. But yeah, the global sale will start from 21st July, that's confirmed. And second number thing is that in the later part of the video I said that maybe you will get 2 or 3,000 card discount, but now it's confirmed. You will get rupees 2,000 discount on HDFC credit card. So if you don't have one and if you want a discount, then arrange it from somewhere. And third number thing which I forgot to mention in the video is about the box packaging. Technical Guruji showed the box of Nothing Phone 1 in his video, and by looking at the box, it was in a square shape and it was very sleek and thin, so it's really hard to imagine a brick inside that box. So maybe we don't get charger out of the box, which is not a great move. But according to some leaksters, they are telling that the charger, that 45-watt charger, will come with a separate box. But how they can save the environment with two different box packaging, I don't know, and we have to wait for the launch. But in that box, in that box in which you will get the Nothing Phone 1, there is no charger for sure because the box is very thin. Now let's move back to the video. So now the main question is going to be the price, but let's talk about the other things. Definitely the most highlighted part of this phone is the design, the rear design. Those LEDs are brilliant. You will see total of 900 LEDs combined together to create some unique patterns, and I really like the concept of this design, but I also like the fact that how well they improvised the overall concept. Like you can set 10 different ringtones and you can just set those ringtones, like a particular ringtone for a particular contact, maybe for your mom, dad, girlfriend, boyfriend, whoever it is. And also that battery animation looks so sick, as Marcus showed in his video. So yeah, the battery animation, the ringtone customization, and also that fill light is so good. While taking the photo, those LED lights will glow up and that work as a fill light to take close-up shots. Yeah, there's a macro mode as well in the Nothing Phone 1. I will come to that in just a bit. So you can take the close-up photos and then that fill light will help a lot, or maybe even in taking close-up shots, that will help a lot. So the company think very smartly about how to use those LED lights at its best. And there is one red light as well which will blink while recording the footage. So yeah, they have very thoughtful while overall customizing and making that design. So I'm super impressed with the design, but still some are saying that it's just tons of light and nothing. So yeah, Nothing Phone 1 is not that impressive, but in my opinion it's super duper impressive. And if we talk about other things, then yeah, I am very impressed with the camera specifications as well. You will get dual camera, the first, the primary lens with the wide lens, and the second one is ultra wide lens with the 114-degree field of view. Yes, not much wide, but still 114 degree is good. I use Pixel 6 as well, which also comes with 114-degree field of view, and sometimes I felt like yeah, it should be more wider, but still that is going to done the job for you, so it's good. But what's amazing is that you will get OIS in both the cameras, and Carl Pei also tweeted recently that 2 cameras is better than 1 camera and 2 useless camera, or let's say 3 useless camera. Yeah, a lot of companies put macro and depth, which also are of 2 megapixels, which is completely useless. So it's better to remove those and expend those investment into those existing two cameras which can actually deliver better results. And you know what, in that ultra wide camera you will get the macro mode as well. So when you switch to ultra wide and when you get closer to the subject, the macro mode will enable. So that's very good, and that's where the that LED lights will play its role when the lights are not that great. But still, if you want to take macro shots, you can. Well, now if we talk about the processor, then this phone is coming with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G plus 5G processor, not with Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which a lot of tech enthusiasts like us were expecting. So yeah, it's not happening. CarlPie tweeted about the processor, and they think that 778G is the most balanced processor. And I guess if I think from company's point of view, then there is one reason that why they have opted for 778G and not Snapdragon 870 is maybe because of the manufacturing cost. Because if you see the glass sandwich design, aluminum frames, dual lens and OIS in both the lens, plus 120Hz AMOLED, fingerprint scanner, wireless charging, those 900 LED lights, so the manufacturing cost is already very high. And maybe if they have decided to go with 870, then maybe that manufacturing cost would have increased even more, even higher. So that's why they just go with 770Hz. It's my theory. I'm not saying that it's 100% true. I'm just assuming, who knows. Well, in my opinion, CarlPie has just not targeted a specific user, like a gaming centric user, or maybe a camera centric, battery centric user, or multimedia consumption centric user. No, it's for everyone. It's a perfect all-rounder looking type of phone. But we have talked about just the hardware. We don't know about software. So let me buy the phone, and please don't rush, don't buy the phone in hurry. I mean, software plays a very important role. Hardware and physical design is 50 to 60% of the phone, but 50 to 40% of the phone is also software. So software matters a lot. So let me use the phone. I'm going to buy this phone with my own money, so I'm definitely going to give you both pros and cons. So yeah, make sure to subscribe the channel for that. And now if we talk about the pricing, then I saw image. I don't know if it is edited or not, but it's showing the Flipkart page, and the price of this phone is 35,000 rupees. It's showing there, but I believe that this phone is going to be priced between 30 to 35,000 rupees. And even if it is 35,000 rupees, maybe with card offers we will get this for 32 or 33,000 rupees. So I guess at this price point we can give a try to this phone. But what about after sales service? Then I checked that there are 200 plus service centers in India alone, and even in my city I find 4 service centers. You can find service centers in your city by going into that website of Nothing. I will drop the link in the description box. You can check that if the service center is available in your city or not. And talking about the resale value, then I'm 100% sure that at least in first 1 month, or let's say in first 2-3 months, the resale value is going to be super high, because this phone is going to be in demand for sure. So if you are going to sell this phone in just 1 month, 2 months, you can sell your phone at a very good deal. But yeah, do let me know what you guys think about the design and the overall concept of this phone, and what do you think, if this is going to be a successful product by Nothing or not. Do let me know your thought in the comment box. And if you like this video, definitely smash the like button and share this video with your friends. Subscribe if you want to see the future Nothing Phone 1 content on my channel. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.